It's just a free life. There's no way to explain the free life in the country. Lord, how I love to ride down these rivers and look at the birds and the bees, and it's just a pleasure to me to live in this country. The good that went with the bad in that kind of a life was worth it, and just so free and do as you please, take from the land what you needed and no more, that the hardships didn't seem to hurt like they would today.
He was born in Chokoloskee, down south in the Everglades. 10,000 islands of sawgrass swamp, and Totch Brown was his name. The great-grandson of pioneers, he was raised to live off the land. He'd catch snook fish in the black water and gators with his two hands. He was a self-made man who didn't give a damn about no city lights. He'd hunt deer and gators in the Everglades with his homemade skipping knife. No one ever saw if he skirted the law, he only wanted to live his life. The unofficial tale of Totch Brown, the Everglades never let him down. He lived in an Indian chickie house on a shell mangrove island. The training of the glades by the government really got old Totch riled. Sugar farms and progress. Now the crooked knees, the grass and the trees are dry in the big cypress. He was a self-made man who didn't understand the politics of master plan. He stole his livelihood and he understood they were drying up the land. Then the smuggling began, got caught by the man, and he paid his price in the pen. Was to make his living off the land. Logging through the glades for food and hides made him a righteous man. He lived and died in the Everglades, and his spirit is still around. You can hear it in the cry of the osprey, looking for Lorin Totch Brown. He was a self-made man who didn't give a damn about no city lights. Hunt deer and gator in the Everglades with his homemade skin.